that fellow Africans are not the problem here. And to prove it, I'd like us to make a date, 1st of July. Angithi the marchers are going to kick everybody out by the 30th of June. Let's do stock taking on the 1st of July, 2026. Let's see. At the moment, youth unemployment is 62%. Please, can we do stock taking on the 1st of July and see how you have improved youth unemployment by kicking out Africans out of South Africa? Let's see how many jobs you'd have created for our youth. Number 2, let's look at the crime stats and see how much crime has reduced by kicking out our fellow brothers and sisters out of their own continent. Please, can we do that assessment on the 1st of July? That will tell you if Africans were a problem in the first place or if you have been played. I bet on the latter. I'm saying you are being played. I'll tell you what Africa needs. What we need is not to be controlled by colonizers. What we need is to come together and rebuild our continent. What we need is to avoid and refuse to be divided and conquered by the evil forces of the West. What has happened in South Africa is we have been failed by what you call a government. Lamaspaza shops and Kalangao, Uguti ama Pakistani, nama Somalians are running spaza shops. Your Minister of Small Businesses was given 500 million to give South Africans to start small businesses. Where is it? You want to march? I will lead your march. Let us go and march that we keep the Justice Madlanga Commission on. Let's go and march that we find a budget to keep them.
Mangaba abasebenzi njengoba belokhu bebhizi baseyitracking kanje belwa belokhu behla benyuka barana imizi yabo ngani ngoba umuzi nomuzi umile manje fanele ngiphume mina la ngiyoxosha umuntu ozama ukuphila mina ngizama ukuphila ngiyoxosha omunye umuntu ozama ukuphila into ngitshela ukuthi ngiyahlanya mina kahle la ekhanda ngiyahlanya mina ngiyoxosha omunye umuntu hayi ngitshele wo ngafakazi ngitshela ukuthi uthi mina ngiphume la ngalo sikhathi lesanginagesi ngiyoxosha omunye umuntu ngibuye abantwana bambalambile ngibuye abantwana bamabanasenkwa ikuphi okungcono ukuthi akungcono ngihlale naye le ndoda uqale kanjani ukwenza lento yakho sibambisane mina naye ngoba la these are the two things engizokutshela zona. These are the peasants, Tina, the fucking slaves, pants, being divided by the fucking hierarchy. This is about the state, the poor versus the rich. The middle class has to be destroyed. The middle class I say it has to be destroyed. Now middle class my con. La baba in middle class, ila baba semsebenzini, ababambelele emsebenzini manje. Ukuthi wena siphiwe ungangena emsebenzini ngoba nawe wena siphiwe ungangena emsebenzini uzongcindezela kakhulu uzoyenza ukuthi kuze kuphume mina emsebenzini.
If you want to break with these imperialist forces, it's simple. We denounce the agreements.